Hope you guys are doing amazing. Today we're taking a look at this teleprompter kit. Usually when it comes to these things, I haven't really used one of these before, but I did use it on one video. It did actually help me because I wrote the script and then you're looking directly at the camera and you can pretty much see everything. You're able to put a tablet or a phone here. So let's get right into it and see how I put this thing together, and we'll take it from there. So putting this thing together is pretty easy. You get in the package a link to a YouTube video that shows the instructions of how to put it in place. The plastic kind of feels a little bit cheap, I would say here, but I did put a GH5 with a lens back here. It tends to hold it up pretty well. And we also have a phone holder here that comes with it as well. So we get that too. So let's just put this back. I also have an app installed here, which is a teleprompter app, and I'm gonna leave the link on the description below. So let's just see how that looks like. So let's put it back here and hit play. So you guys can probably see how this looks like. Hopefully the letters are the right way. So it works pretty well. I used it on my last review and actually found I had to do less cuts and less recording on the camera because I had everything there. I was just looking in the camera and reading this, and it worked great. So you can go ahead and check out my last review, so just so you have an idea how that worked out. So when we're looking at the price range, when it comes to teleprompters, before I got this sent to me, I didn't really know they were that expensive, but this one is around the $60 to $80 range. When it comes to the pricing, I would definitely recommend this. So this one you're also able to use like with any tripod pretty much, and it comes with this nice black cloth. So after you put in the camera in the back here, you just cover it so no light leakage or anything like that. It feels a little bit cheap to me, I think, but it does its job pretty much. So if you need a teleprompter, this is actually a great start, and it does help you if you forget your lines, or if you're doing some kind of review which you have to remember so many bullet points. This definitely will help you with that because you're looking at the camera and you're not looking away, so it definitely helps out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. If not, thumbs down. Also, if you're new here, please consider subscribing for more tech reviews like this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.